I've been taking this supplement and I'm amazed how it is affecting my sleep. Kala mo naman hirap na hirap ako makatulog no? Masandal tulog kasi ako. But being sleepy doesn't mean you're always having quality sleep, diba? For the past week, I've been taking magnesium supplement before I sleep. And every time I wake up in the morning, I feel like yung parang nakatulog ka sa siesta time tapos bakat pa yung kamay mo pagagising. The reason why I want to share this is because Filipinos are fourth in the world's most sleep deprived and first in Southeast Asia. We only spend around 6 hours and 30 minutes of sleep, which is troublesome because sleep deprivation can increase the risk of hypertension, diabetes, obesity, depression, heart attack, and stroke. Di ba common yan yung mga sakit ng mga Pinoy? There are studies supports that magnesium supplements relax your muscles, calm your nerves, and improve quality sleep. So, if you're having trouble sleeping, taking magnesium might be worth trying. It's important to remember that while magnesium can be beneficial for sleep, it's not a magic cure. It's always a good idea to talk to your doctor about any sleep problems you're having because they can help the best course of action for you. Always remember, health is wealth and prevention is better than cure.